Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. I'm Ivan. I run N8n, an AI automation agency. If you need help with anything AI relating to your business, then you can just book a free Calendly call with me in the description. So here I've got this very simple personal assistant AI agent that can create Google Calendar events, send emails, check the weather, and do Google research for you. Let me just quickly break down how it all works. So we've got the when chat message received, nice and easy. The AI agent, tools agent. The only thing I've had to change in the system message is that I'm based in the UK, so we work in British summertime, and I've given it the current date and time here. So we just need a chat model, so we've gone with the OpenAI chat model, and I've used a GPT-4. Then we just got four tools. We've got this Google Calendar event tool. I've just done resource event, operation create. You got to pick the right Google Calendar you want it to add to, and then I've just allowed the start and end to be defined automatically by the model, so it can just take whatever we put in the chat box and use that to create the event. Next up, we've got Gmail send message. Use a Google Cloud credential. Resource message, operation send. We've allowed the subject, and the message to be defined automatically by the model. Next up, we've got the open weather map. Let me show you open weather map. So, yeah, you just need to create an account on open weather map. Can't actually show you my API key, but if we go here to my services, you just create the account and you can get the API key there. And then, you just create the credentials to connect with. I've just pasted my API key in there, and then that's it. It's connected. The only thing to watch out for is it might take a minute. It might actually take as much as an hour or two for your API key to start working. But yeah, once it's done, it's done. So tool description set automatically. Operation current weather. I put my format to metric, but if you're more of an imperial person, then you can do that. And then I've location selection, city name, and I've allowed the city to be defined automatically by the model. So I can put any city in that chat box, and it will give me the weather information for it. And I've also allowed the language to be defined automatically by the model. And then finally, we've got SERP API. Once again, you just need a SERP API account, get an API key, and copy that in there. And let me now demonstrate how it all works. So let's test SERP first, so I can just get it to do Google research for me. Like, what year was Donald Trump born? So he was born in 1946. I can say, what's the weather like today in Tokyo? Let's try out the sending an email. So email odenix269@gmail.com to say hi. Cool. Should be that's one I sent earlier. The new one should arrive any second. There we go. There's the new one. And then finally we can just say create an event for tonight at 7 p.m. for an hour called dinner. And we'll use the Google Calendar and create the event. So, and then you can just click there to see the event. But so yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.